Hi guys, you are watching Technical Learners. Today, let's see how you can create a brand logo in the easiest way possible with the help of an AI in just 5 minutes. You don't need to be a professional designer or spend much money to get a stunning logo. In this tutorial, I will take you through a step-by-step guide on creating your brand logo using AI. So, let's get started. First, go to your browser search bar and type gravitywrite.com. This is the site that's going to help us get logo ideas. Then click Login. Then click Sign in with Google. Scroll down from here. Then go to Image Prompts and click Logo Design Ideas. I have already written a brand name and a few lines to design the logo. Let's put the brand name in this box and the taglines in the description box. Then click Create Content. As you can see, GravityWrite has generated a bunch of logo ideas. Now, again go to the search bar and type Bing Image Creator. Go to the website. Then click Join and Create. Here, you have to create your Microsoft account. I have already created an account. Let me sign in to my account. Now, back to gravitywrite.com. Copy an idea. And paste it here. Then click Create. It will take some time. Look, the logo is ready. But I am not satisfied with the logo, so I am going to try the second idea. I am going to choose this one. It looks stunning. You can try the idea respectively. Once you are satisfied, you can download the logo. Let's download the logo. And our logo is ready. Looks great, doesn't it? That's it, guys. We have an incredible logo created just by using AI and for free. Now, if you're looking for more amazing eye tools like this one, subscribe and like my channel and share your valuable opinions in the comment section. And I hope you like this video. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.